Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we are continuing our exploration here in Orlando, Florida, and we're at a huge event called Aquashella.
Aquashella.
Now you're probably wondering, what the heck is Aquashella? Babe, you want to tell them?
Of course, Aquashella is the largest aquarium event in America, featuring the best of saltwater, freshwater, reptiles, and aquatic art. So we're gonna get in here, check everything out. Hopefully we see some very cool stuff. We'll take you guys along for the ride. So let's do this.
Let's go.
Aquatic videos on YouTube have made a big impact recently, from the lobster named Leon that was rescued from the grocery store, as well as Pancake the crab that was rescued, and our favorite YouTuber named George, who has a channel called Coralfish12G that documents all types of aquatic-like videos and got us interested into this field. We got there on time, but the line was already super long.
The line is long, yo. I mean long.
Super long line.
Even though the line was long, it moved fairly quickly. We went to the front and got our bracelets. So here you see our Aquashella bracelets. Once you put them on, if you take them off, you can't get back in, and they're only good for the date that you purchased your tickets. And then they also gave you some glasses and a bag for free.
Once we got in the doors, we were immediately greeted by some wonderful pieces of glowing aquatic art. Man, check out this spotted eel we found creeping behind some of the art. Once we finished the art walkthrough, it was time to see what Aquashella was all about.
We just got in, we passed through some of the art. It is crazy in here. We don't even know where to start. So we're just walking at this point and trying to figure out what we want to do.
We decided we should start where the least amount of people were first. So we checked out some Build Your Aquarium World booths and listened to some guest speakers talk about their custom-made aquariums and state-of-the-art water filtration systems. If you have ever owned a fish tank, you know fish can be pretty sensitive, especially if they are not kept in the right pH balance of water or have enough oxygen circulating.
And he gets his inspiration from nature, and that's the whole kind of philosophy about what we're doing on it here, is using nature as inspiration, and so that's my main source of inspiration.
Guys, we want to show you how clear this freshwater tank is right here. Check this out. Look how clear that is.
Wow.
Wow. That is what you call a clear freshwater tank. That is fresh water.
If an aquarium tank was not in the market for you, they also have several vendors that have custom built, what do you even call these, like sanctuaries? They had a little bit of everything for everybody, whether you're looking for fish or reptiles. They had it all. Look at this little baby alligator. He was so cute. I had to stop and admire this amazing art. It's all throughout the convention. There's even a kid-friendly section for all of the little ones or the little big ones. And you get to take pictures with mermaids, arts and crafts, the whole 9 yards. So this is definitely a family-friendly event. Check out the color on these crustaceans. Like, oh my gosh, it was like atomic blue. I just thought this was super cool, super pretty. Definitely gives us ideas for our future tank.
This is a high-tech filter system.
Reverse osmosis filtering system.
Reverse osmosis filtering system. Money.
Look at this big one right here.
Big boy. Okay, we're kind of fanning out a little bit because one of the YouTubers that we follow is actually here. His name is George. His channel is Coralfish, and he's literally like right there. So I'm gonna see if I can get a photo with him.
What's up, man?
are you guys' names?
Richard and Ronya.
Nice to meet you guys. Welcome to Aquashella.
We watched your channel and like you got us like inspired to like even get into this. Like I think our first video was like you and Houdini, and like we were just like, oh my gosh, like this is so cool. And we like just watched your. It was like a marathon of just watching all your videos. So we just want to say thank you for like inspiring us to like get into this.
Definitely watch it. That's so cool. Where are you guys from?
Right here.
What size t-shirt? I am a medium.
A large medium. We just got free shirts from George and stickers. We will link his channel down below. That's who got us inspired to even get into this. So
Right. This is exciting. Very exciting.
If you're not coming for the fish, the coral section is definitely the go-to spot. Now you're probably thinking, well, coral just sits there. It's not going to keep me entertained, but honey, let me tell you, corals are a really great investment. Some of the corals are even better than stocks in crypto because some of these things are going for a lot of money. And all you have to do is put it in its own little aquarium, and guess what? It starts building itself, and you can sell pieces of your coral out, and people pay top dollar for coral. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you're like, I don't want any fish, coral might be for you. Can we just appreciate this art for a moment? I mean, the art is glowing in the dark. I don't know if I feel like I'm at a rave party or if I'm under the sea with Ariel, but just know that it feels darn good to be here.
Yeah, so corals are really cool to me. So they have a lot of them here. The thing I like about them is you can buy them for like an entry-level price, and they grow. As they grow, you can break off pieces of them like in the proper way, and you can resell those things. So I'm looking at it as a money move, you know what I'm saying?
So we just left the coral section. It was so many corals in there. Now I think we're heading over to the reptile section.
Let's check them out.
Where is his head at?
His head's in the middle, so he's called ball pythons, and their number one defense is to ball up. So he doesn't want to bite you or anything. He's just kind of just chilling right now. So protecting his own head. See? Nothing will happen.
On the outside.
Give him a nice little pet. It's not slimy, not sticky.
Yeah.
Like almost like a leather consistency.
Yeah. Different than what I thought it would feel like.
Yeah, see his head, you can't even see it.
Yeah.
So if in the wild, the predator were to come and try to get at him, it starts kind of cloaking his muscles. You can't get to the head.
Wow.
Like that, he stays alive.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And you can't forget about the fish. I mean, it is Aquashella. Look at these beautiful koi ponds. Like, it was so many of them, and koi fish are like one of my favorite fishes to see. It just had so much life and color and personality. Like, they're just so awesome. There's a bunch of different fish here.
You can't forget about the plants. They have all different types of plants here, from Venus flycatchers to just regular looking plants for the fish to hide in, to different types of wood, terrariums. I thought the terrariums were pretty cool because you can have these things and don't even have to have any fish or anything in them. So those are definitely nice. And just any other type of plants that, you know, you would use for any saltwater or freshwater aquariums.
To say that we had a great time at our very first Aquashella would be an understatement. We had so much fun checking out all of the aquatic life and just even learning so much. All of the vendors are very eager to just have a talk with you, explain things to you, whether you're, you know, brand new to this or if you're an expert. Like, everyone is just so friendly and helpful and nice. And of course, we could not leave without finding our pal Nemo. Did you see him? Let me know if you found him.
We've had a blast.
Really great time. This is going to conclude our Aquashella video. We had an amazing time. We hope you guys, we hope you guys enjoyed all the, you know, fish and the reptiles and like all the different corals and everything. So this is definitely something that we would come back to again, and hope that this inspired some of you guys who may have not thought of, you know, any aquatics or fish or anything like that. So,
and if you want to get into the hobby, it's a really good way to make some extra cash.
Definitely.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks so much, guys. Peace.